Hi, my name is Jean-Marie from EXFO. I'm a product line manager. I'm here today to present to you our brand new Power Blazer series, FTBX 88460. This is a brand new 400 gig module. This is based on our Open Transceiver System, meaning customer today that needs to test CFP8 or needs to use CFP8 as a 400 gig interface can have a CFP8 interface inserted. But in the case that they need to use the brand new QSFP-DD, as we all know, the market is moving to a more smaller size form factor for the 400 gig. So we now have also an OTS, so Open Transceiver System, that could be swapped in, into the module from CFP8 to QSFP-DD. And the same thing could be done here for OSFP. So this brings you flexibility and also future-proof, because as you know, the transceiver market will keep on evolving, and then there will be new transceivers coming out. So by using the Open Transceiver System, a customer could invest today into one solution and just purchase or change the OTS once they need the new version. So this could be inserted into our FTB4 platform, making it a portable solution, but also into a lab or rack mount format where you can actually have two of those modules. On top of being flexible and future-proof, the module is also capable of doing what we call the 400 gig ecosystem by supporting the 400 gig Ethernet rate, but also the FlexE Ethernet and OTUC and FlexE. Today, what I'm showing you here is a demonstration of our FlexE Ethernet solution, where we actually are generating a 400 gig client into a 4,500 gig FlexE, which is sent to the Xilinx solution, and which send it back to us. So as you can see here, we have a 400 gig GI inserted in the FlexE shim, and then the FlexE, the 400 gig GI has been received by the Xilinx solution, and then sent back to us, and we have clear traffic. All right, so same as the FTBX 88460, we also have a new 100 gig solution, the FTBX 88260, which is built on the same Open Transceiver System as a 400 gig module, where a customer could buy a 100 gig solution and can interchange the different OTS systems. So in the case that they need CFP4, they can insert a CFP4 OTS. In the case that they need 100 gig dual QSFP-28, they can actually insert a dual QSFP-28 OTS. And we even have a sync module with built-in GPS for synchronization. So again, building flexibility and future-proof solution.